What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable always use secure connections inside the Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. So once you're inside the Arc browser guys, all you have to do is click the Arc logo on the uppermost left hand side and click on settings. From here, select the profile in question. If you have multiple profiles, select the one that you want to use. And if you have just one, just select the one profile. I'm going to select one. Then select privacy and security at the bottom. Now, once you're here under privacy and security, you want to go ahead and click on security options under the privacy and security section here. Now, from here, scroll down to the advanced option, and here you will find always use secure connections, right? And as the description says, it will always try to use the HTTPS when possible. And if you come across a site that you're trying to access that does not support the HTTPS, what's going to happen? You'll get a prompt telling you that the site does not support it, right? So it's going to be up to you if you want to proceed or not. But that's basically how you can go ahead and enable it by toggling it on under the advanced security options here to always use secure connections on your Arc browser. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.